Once upon a time, even across the Peruvian Sea, people lived in close contact, happily together. Over time, our planet became overpopulated. Urbanization began. People stopped supporting each other, became alienated, distant. More and more pollutants were released into the airs and rivers. This lack of attention caused serious problems. We will build a house that will bring back care to the hearts of people. Bring back the lungs of the city. Let's see how it's built.
Our chosen design challenge of closing gaps addresses a problem familiar to so many cities in Europe. This is most highlighted in a row type or city block settlements. Our design area is of high significance in the historic downtown district of Pech, as it serves as a connecting point between the downtown and fairly new cultural quarter of the city. Our urban concept focuses on enhancing the private, interior courtyards of the city blocks, but also creating public green spaces in close proximity to these residential areas. With new, extended and freshly green private gardens, we can encourage community activities between small clusters of residents, but also on a more significant, more public scale. Locals can interact, relax, exchange values and build community in a healthier, greener public parks, while remaining close to home. By planting more trees and creating more green areas on the streets, we also affect the quality of our breathable air, improving the standard of our public environment. Our concept also focuses on the promoting of green mobility principles. Our goal is to significantly reduce the emissions from our transport systems, especially in high traffic areas. We have greened the main traffic areas and emphasized developing a well-functioning communal e-vehicle system alongside creating new BRT lanes. Finally, we have developed more bicycle lanes and paths while extending the pedestrian-only zones, encouraging everyone to experience their new surroundings and live healthier lives.
Our architectural concept and HDU focus on a sample building termed the RGB Gatehouse. Our green goal is to realize by 4 main methods. Number 1, green energy surplus fields. Our modular design ensures free rearrangements through generations. In addition, we have a sun space on the south side of our building, which contributes to the harnessing passive energy through a unique feature of our building, the Trombe wall. The green facade also serves numerous purposes. Number 2, reducing emissions. We are changing to renewable energy sources. This is a significant focus on recycling and the RE8 principles. The building is 95% recyclable. The structure is 85% wood, which is locally sourced. It does not pollute the air during its formation, but binds carbon dioxide. Our steel and aluminium are recycled metal. Our panel timber structures are recycled timber, and we use partially recycled concrete for the foundation. Gardens also compensate for emissions of pollutants. Number 3, creating healthy and affordable living environments. Our overall design reduces energy costs, travel costs, construction and maintenance costs, and in the future, adaptability costs, making the building more affordable. Number 4, creating a cooperative residential community.
We planned our interior design concept in the spirit of versatility, recycling, renovation and naturality. Our demonstrational unit represents a residential and a communal level of our building design. The community cohabitation, generational collaboration and also small size of the apartments requires more flexibility from the interior than usual. To achieve this, we have strived for practicality and designed light, mobile and folding furniture in line with the principles of sustainability.
Pointing out some interesting mechanical features of our house, we can start first with the shower heat exchanger. It is used to warm up our fresh water supply leading to the warm water tank, and we also use solar power for this as well. Second thing is the ventilation system's air intake. It is positioned in the sun space of our house, and we also have a motor valve if you would rather use outside air. Third thing is focused on water savings. We will use grey water to flush our toilet. Grey water will come from the collected rainwater and from the shower, washing machine and so on.
We have used a Festo PLC as our core for the automation, and of course we will have solar panels installed. In an ideal situation, we can produce around 3 kilowatts of power. These panels will be frameless. This way, it can also heat up the air below it, further increasing efficiency. If anything happens, an optimizer will kick in, only reducing the production from one of the panels instead of all of them. The batteries can store around 2.5 kilowatt hours of energy. It will be enough for roughly 2 to 3 days until another sunny day comes around, so they can be recharged.
Team Lungs of the City. Let's give nature its home back. Designed for nature, engineered to last.